Hi everyone! Notre-Dame is undoubtedly a great symbol of history and architectural beauty. There are 8 Notre-Dame cathedrals in France, not to mention the ones in other parts of the world, like in Montreal, Canada. A few of the basilicas look similar from the outside, but did I feel each of their uniqueness after visiting the one in Strasbourg and in Paris? Let's take a look. The first thing I notice in Strasbourg is how chaotic the cathedral square is. Children screaming for ice creams, that little tourist train we saw, there's even a pretty Chinese girl playing the Chinese lute for the crowd. But once you enter the cathedral, it's quiet, allowing you to admire the contrast between colorful stained glass windows and the Gothic-style deep dark sandstone. It's a place for worship, but also honored local culture, saints, and heroes. The most special attraction of the cathedral is hidden in the corner, the Astronomical Clock. The first iteration dates back to the 14th century, and this one was finished in the 19th century. It's fascinating to see the amalgamation of Renaissance art and scientific excellence.
So much of that roof has now vanished, with just bits of scaffolding remaining around the building.
I can see that the roof has been more or less completely burnt away, a little bit more just collapsed. And in fact, I was on the scene when the spire came down, so quite dramatic stuff.
See the spire falling into the flames. That's something I couldn't watch before.
If Notre-Dame Cathedral in Paris was busy before, it is even more claustrophobic now. Although you just cannot help but seeing it for yourself and be immersed in all its glory, especially when there is a Mass. These sculptures, the transept, the rose window all look similar to the structures in Notre-Dame, Strasbourg. But where the light hits is something else. It truly is eye-opening in every sense of the word. The colors on the paintings are vibrant, carvings are spotless, and the biblical stories revived. My only complaint is that there are way too many visitors pushing you forward, making it impossible to appreciate the details or have a quiet moment. That shushing in Strasbourg may work better here. Anywho, surrounding the three sides of the interior, there are 29 radiating chapels. I was surprised to see the last one with Chinese characters, a chapel dedicated to Saint Paul Chen, a Chinese martyr who was executed in 1861 for his Christian faith. I think the most unique part is the fun restoration built around the cathedral's most sacred relics, saved from the fire. And finally, a tribute to the firefighters who prevented the cathedral from utter collapse.